After the blade has been sharpened 3 times, then it's time to regrind the edge of the blade. And this is one extra step, but it only has to be done once every 3 sharpenings. And don't forget, you can get an edge on both sides. When you need to regrind the edge, it's important that the profile fits the tool once it's been reground. Included with the Traviscraper is this little template here, and that will act as a guide to get your profile to match the tool. So I'm going to take this over to my Sorby Pro Edge sharpening jig and regrind this and make sure that it is the same profile. So this is my Sorby Pro Edge sharpening jig. It has a belt here, and this is a 120 grit belt. The table is set at 90 degrees to the belt, and that's what I want. I want an edge at 90 degrees to the face of the blade. So I'm going to place that on the table here and just lightly grind across, backwards and forwards, maybe once each way, with the belt going. So I'll turn it on. And then I can take my template and see how I'm doing relative to that. And that is pretty good. Okay, so we've just reground this edge here. Now we need to sharpen it, and it's back to what I've shown in the previous video. That goes on the side of the bench. Your burnisher sits flat on the blade, and just tip the handle very slightly and rub this edge quite hard. Backwards and forwards quite a few times, and that prepares the edge. Then I can turn it over, prepare the other edge. Sometimes you feel a little bit of sort of resistance, a little bit of grippiness, and that's a good sign. So that edge is now prepared. Then I take it over to the vise, place it in there, about 15 millimeters up above the surface of the vise, placing this end on the bench well away, keep that hand out of the way, this hand on the handle, again well out of the way, and then rub and rub back, and we've got a nice edge there, nice burr. Turn it over and repeat, and then this blade will be ready to go back in the tool and give hours more service. So there we are, a nice burr on that side and another burr on that side. Thanks for watching this video. I hope now you will have all the information you need to keep the blades of the Traviscraper and the spokescraper sharp. So there's the regular sharpening, and then after every 3 sharpenings, the grinding, and that's what you've seen on this time. So thank you very much for watching.